at the completed powder room. It's a beautiful home. The powder room was brown when we started. We added the crown molding, the wall covering, the light fixtures, the mirror. And a mural. The bathroom in Cleve Hts, we're removing the wallpaper, the chair rail, smoothing out the walls, replacing the light fixtures, adding a crown molding that matches the other in the house. We just finished the crown molding, and now we're going to repair some of the walls, fill things in, and hang some wall covering. Chair rail, which was probably put up 50 to 60 years ago, was inset into the wall, and they had plaster around it for so many years that we had to actually remove not just the chair rail, but a lot of the plaster was really built up to try and return it to its normal depth so it wouldn't show through the new wall covering. You can't leave any old wallpaper underneath drywall or plaster, because what happens is it comes loose. So we gotta glue it off, even the old stuff. We get the plaster base on, which really levels the deep imperfections in this place where the chair rail was, and it starts to dry, then we can begin to smooth out all the walls in the room, because they're very rough, and we'll use a simple drywall compound with that on top of the drywall compound. We're skim coating the walls to smooth them out. They're very rough. And we do them all over that way. So here we are painting the crown molding, putting the found coat on it, this bright white, and we've gotten the walls all primed in the bathroom. You can see, excuse the bright lights here, and getting ready to hang the wall covering. So we decided to paint the ceiling a light blue to sort of pick up the lightest blue in the wall covering, and let's see if we can get that done now. Alright, now we've hung the wallpaper, covered the switch plates, put most of the fixtures back, including the sink, and all we have to do now is to get the mirrors and the light fixtures installed. It came out pretty well. We've got the wall covering up. We're installing these light fixtures that have these zillion of little tiny balls on them, and once we get these done, in the bathroom will be ready. We're going to put the mirror on the wall,